Alright guys, so it's been a long time since I've done this, but I have finally gotten me another project car. And welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. So let me walk you around it real quick and I'll show you what I got. So my new project car is the 2004 Dodge Neon SRT4, guys. Now, you guys might love or might hate these cars, but I've had 9 of them. This is my 9th one, guys. I built one to over 500 horsepower back in about 2006, and ever since then, I've had them off and on throughout the years. I've had Hondas, Evos, WRXs, you name it, tuner car-wise. If it's turbocharged and fun, I've had it. This one right here, the last owners had it for about 13 years. He actually worked at a collision shop and he did paint it himself. So this is actually a GM blue. The factory blue is an electric blue pearl, but it's very, very close to it. So he's actually kept this thing in pretty good shape. It's got an aftermarket intercooler. It's been Diablo Sport tuned, Mopar intake, a Gretty blow-off valve. He's side piped the exhaust over here. The interior is not in too bad a shape. He's put a wide band on it. And, you know, I've changed a couple of little things since I've had it. I had it for about 3 weeks now. Shout out to Josh from Midnight Auto for driving me all the way to Hickory, 3 hours away to go get it. But I've changed and put the factory taillights back on it. He had some weird Euro lights, and I'm not really big on that. The windows are tinted on it. So, you know, it's a really good base. As far as everything goes, I got it for a good price, and one of the main reasons is because we got a little bit of a rust situation right there. That's the only place on the car I've seen it, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, because primarily my channel has become a paint and auto body channel, but I do want to do some modifications on it. And one of the big modifications I want to do right now is paint these wheels, guys. I am not loving this bronzy gold color. I want a nice satin black or like an ultra matte black. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to get these wheels off and let's start prepping and get them ready for paint. Alright guys, got the car up in there on jack stands and the wheels are off. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so I got the wheels scuffed real good with a red Scotch-Brite after cleaning them with some Dawn dish soap, and then I just wiped them down with alcohol on a rag. So I'm going to let these dry really, really good for a few hours, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, so what I got here is Max Speeding Rod's entry-level coilover kit for my Dodge Neon SRT4. Now what's so great about these is they're very affordable, very nice entry-level kit. They have their stamp on everything. The fronts have full camber adjustments so you can tilt it in and out, and the rears are fixed, but just a great overall setup. You can just preload everything and adjust the purchase like most of your standard full body coilovers. And you know, just a great product overall. This one is not sponsored this time. I did come out of pocket on these, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Shout out to Max Speeding Rods for making a cool product, and now let's get it installed. Alright guys, so here's going to be my process. Now that we got the wheels all cleaned and ready to go, I'm going to hit it with some of this Bulldog adhesion promoter. Make sure I get everything to stick good. That way it's got a good mechanical bond and a good chemical bond. Then we wait about 5 to 10 minutes and I've got 3 cans of Ultra Matte Black Rust-Oleum. That's what I'm going to be painting the wheels with. So I'm going to put the Bulldog on first and then we'll paint them and I'll show you guys the final result. Let's get into it. Also, I've got new tires going on these wheels, so we won't have to worry about taping everything up. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so they look a little shiny right now, but they will flatten off. Like I said, that's Ultra Matte Black by Rust-Oleum. It's the 2X. It actually covered really good. I did 3 coats, as you saw. I was just kind of more so concentrating on all the little inside areas on it and then hitting the face last. And I was just kind of fogging it, guys, trying to get good coverage. Since this is a matte color, it's going to dry flat anyway. So, you know, I wasn't trying to worry about glossing it out or anything like that. So 3 coats, we're good to go. I'm gonna let this sit for probably overnight, harden really good, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get the new tires put on the wheels, get it back on the car, and I'll show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so now I got the suspension on, I got the wheels painted. We're gonna put brand new tires on them real quick, take them up the street to the tire shop, and when I get everything back together, I will give you guys the final reveal. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so that's it for my new car, my 2004 Dodge Neon SRT4. We painted the wheels in Ultra Matte Black. I've lowered them on max speeding rods coilovers, and I've done a few other things. I painted the emblem black, I changed the intercooler and put a bigger intercooler on it. I flushed the coolant system, fresh oil change, just all around maintenance. It will need an alignment, and I broke 3 studs off because old car. So I had to replace those in the process too. It was a big undertaking. It was my little weekend project. And speaking of projects, we're going to jump back on the Nissan in an episode really soon, as well as more spray outs to come. It's barely been above 30 degrees. We've been getting hammered with snow and all kinds of cold weather. And yeah, so we're going to get back moving. Sorry for the delay in videos and everything else, but we're going to be rocking and rolling again consistently really soon, so stay tuned. As always guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you tremendously for watching, and leave me a like in the comments and let me know what you thought of my new project. Alright, well, that's going to be it for me today guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next episode.